Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever you try to log in, you got the error. Sorry, we are having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. You just need to right click on your internet connection you are using. In my case, I am using Wi-Fi. Select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select this option guys. Use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS type 1001. Click on OK to save changes. In here you just need to scroll down. You just need to select the Internet Protocol version 6 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and check my video description for this IPv6 DNS. Just copy and paste it in the preferred DNS server and alternative DNS server. After pasting it, select OK. And now just close stuff here. Now you need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can able to log in Valorant without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.